Once upon a time, there was a man named Jack who had everything one could ever ask for: a high-paying job, a luxurious house, and a beautiful family. However, despite all his material success, Jack felt deeply dissatisfied with his life. He would often find himself gazing out of his office window, yearning for something more meaningful. He felt as though he was trapped in a never-ending cycle of work, consume, sleep, and repeat. He longed for something that would give his life a sense of purpose and fulfillment. One day, while on his way to work, Jack stumbled upon an old man sitting on a bench in the park. The man appeared to be deeply contented, and his face radiated with joy and peace. Jack couldn't help but feel curious and approached the old man. "Excuse me, sir, but I couldn't help but notice how contented you seem. May I ask what your secret is?" The old man smiled and replied, "I am content because I have learned to appreciate the simple things in life. I find joy in the sun's warmth, the birds' songs, and the beauty of the world around me. I am not rich, nor do I have many possessions, but I am happy because I have learned to appreciate the present moment." Jack was struck by the old man's wisdom and decided to take his advice. He started to slow down and appreciate the little things in life, like spending quality time with his family and taking walks in the park. He realized that true contentment came from within, and that material success alone could never bring him lasting happiness. Over time, Jack's attitude towards life shifted, and he found himself feeling more and more fulfilled. He learned that life was not about accumulating possessions or achieving external success, but about finding joy and meaning in every moment. From that day forward, Jack was a changed man. He had learned the valuable lesson that true happiness came not from what he had, but from what he appreciated.